Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and in this pattern we point the number in an alternative way. We point 1 and 0 in an alternative way, but we used nested for loop to draw this pattern because this is a row-wise pattern, and when we have a row-wise pattern, then always we point the outer loop variable. And firstly we create outer for loop, and to create outer for loop, firstly we declare a variable that is used for loop, that is used for outer and inner for loop. So we declare two variables I and j, and I is used for outer for loop and j is used for inner for loop. And firstly we create outer for loop, and I initialize to 1 and check condition if I less than equals to 5 and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we used inner for loop, and inside this inner for loop we initialize j equals to 1 and check condition if j less than equals to I and j increment to 1. And inside the inner for loop we point outer loop variable that is I mod 2, and outside the inner for loop we used backslash n for cursor to the next line, because after completing each row we want to cursor to the next line, so we used backslash n for new line. And when you compile this program, the output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, because in this pattern this is a row wise and also form the right angle triangle pattern, and in this pattern 0 and 1 number is printed in an alternative way. So I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt related to this pattern, you can ask me anytime in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next pattern program. Have a good day.